Hindi ko alam kung handa na ba ako malaglag. I am not sure if I am ready to fall in love. Ang taas nito. Mas extreme to kaysa sa Marie. Diyos ko, Panginoon, sana kayanin ko. Diyos ko po, ang nakamamatay. Hala. Hoy, nakikita nyo ba tong lubid na to? Tatawid kami dyan, papunta doon. Diyos ko, Panginoon ko. Tapos din naman yung ilalim. Everybody, it is Kate Toretto here, still from Abbottabad, Pakistan. So for today's video, tara, samahan nyo ako. I'm gonna take you to this lift ride. So it's gonna start from here, going there. So this is... Hoy, if you remember when I was in Marie, that looks more safer than this. But wala tayong choice. I wanna have like a core memory, yung nakamamatay na core memory here in Abbottabad, Pakistan. So let's go, let's do it. And by the way, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification button, and follow me on TikTok, Facebook, and let's do it. Simulan na natin ang nakamamatay na adventure for today. Let's go! Everybody, good afternoon from me, Kate Toretto here. So for today, good ako para ako si Mama Mary. Good afternoon. Yes. Still with us is security for Manula. So, thank you for the 24/7 security. Hoy, 24/7 yung security ko. Nakakaloka, di ba? So, So what? So, I'm not ready to die. Mom, if you're watching this, I'm so sorry to everything I've done to you. Please know that I love you. To all my haters, this is what you like. Fuck you. Charas, joke lang. Hoy, nakikita nyo ba ito? Diyos ko, Panginoon ko. Hoy, ito na siya. Diyos ko, Panginoon ko. Tignan nyo, tignan nyo. Diyos ko, Panginoon. Good luck, Mami. Diyos ko. I'm scared. Hoy, kikita nyo ba ito? Kita nyo ba iyan? Diyos ko. Diyos ko, Panginoon ko. Hindi ako handa. I'm preparing myself. Sorry naman. Diyos ko po, tignan nga natin. Ayan na. Hoy, tignan nyo. Diyos ko po. Diyos ko, Panginoon ko. Woo! What the fuck? I hope I can do it. Diyos ko po, kaya ko ba ito? Parang ayoko na pala. Is it late to go back? Pwede pa bang bumalik? Parang ayoko na. Parang hindi ko na pala ito gusto. Uy! Diyos ko. Abbottabad, anong ginagawa mo kay Kate Toretto? Hoy, eto na. Parang hindi ko pala gusto tong na to. Okay, but for everybody, for you, I will do it. So, please. Diyos ko pa. Hoy, tingnan nyo. Diyos ko, parang lubid lang, oh. Tapos nasa kabilang bundok ka na agad. Palagi kaya ako ng ganyan sa Malabon, no? Malabon to Nabotas. Nabotas to Caloocan. Caloocan to Valenzuela. Wait lang. Aray! Aray! Puta. Sorry. Yung reaction ko, di ba? Sorry naman, totoo. Hoy, tignan nyo.
दरवाजा हमने बंद करना है खुद होगा Should I close it? No. Let it keep
Okay, open. Parang mali. I'm starting to regret this decision for today's video. Uy, Diyos ko, ano ba to? Sige, sabay-sabay tayong malula po. Diyos ko po. Are you happy, Hamza? Happy? Papatayin mo ako. Pipikit mo na lang. If you're scared, close your eyes. Call all the saints. Aba, Ginoong Maria. Charos lang. Ay, bumibilis pala ito. Oy. It's not scary. It's okay. This is manageable. The one in Marie, the car lift, the chair lift, that I cannot manage. This one is more manageable. Just don't look down because basta, I'll show you what down looks like. Tignan nyo yung ilalim. Kita nyo ba? Bahala kayo dyan. Uy, malula kayo. Okay, but this is more manageable. It just looks scary but more okay actually. Yata. That's the end. Oh, bongga, kabog.
You're gonna go first.
We survived. Buhay pa tayo, everybody. Na-survive natin. Ano lang siya almost. Salam. Ano lang siya almost. Just like 1 minute, no?
Go on first. Yeah.
It's just like a 1 minute ride.
Yeah.
Nasa kabilang bundok ka na. Hoy, so... We were there. Diyos ko naman nangyayari sa Pakistan, no? Hoy, tignan mo. Wait lang. Look. Tignan nyo naman, wait lang. Oh. Tignan mo yun, tapos pinatong lang sa bato, oh. Ipinatong lang siya sa bato, sa kahoy. Okay, move, go. Sorry, nakukuha niya yung raw reaction ko. Sorry naman. Orkot kasi ako, mami. Hoy, but it's not scary, ha? It looks scary, but actually when you're inside, it is so stable. It was stable. Okay, so how many minutes before it's... Ayun na, nag-move na siya. Diyos ko, dapat dahil tiwa-tiwala lang. Oh, tignan nyo. Nakakatakot siyang tignan. Diyos ko po, yung lubid, oh. Lubid lang, mami. Okay, enough na yan. Sinuong ng team ni Kate Toretto ang Abbottabad, Pakistan para magkaroon ng core memory na kamamatay. Charos. Joke lang. Ganda kayo ng outfit ko for today's video. Opak, super relaxed look. Gandang bata. Gago ka. Charos. Ay! Diba? Ako talaga. Kainaan ko talaga to yung mga ganto-gantong bato. Pang ilang ko na to Kaya ako may pilay. Hoy, I have pilay. I forgot to tell you. If you remember yesterday, diba? Nadulas ako in the middle of the watering and Kemerut. So, ayan. This is the result. Orkot, mami, no? Hoy, nakakatakot siyang tignan. Pero pag nandiyan ka na, okay lang siya, ha? Wag lang kayo titingin sa baba. Just don't look down and... You're okay. It's just like 1 minute ride. Grabe, no? Whoever invented this, thumbs up. Para makatawid ka ng... Gusto ko talaga magpagawa niyan sa... to the mayor of Kamanabas. To the mayors of Kamanaba. Let's build this. Caloocan to Malabon, Malabon to Nabotas to Valenzuela. O, diba? Tapos vice versa. Balik lang. O, diba? Para imagine mo na may ganyan sa Kamanaba, no, mami? Diyos ko po. O, diba, sagot? Ito palang sagot sa traffic, baliw. Maglagay tayo sa EDSA nito. O, to the Philippine government, put this in EDSA, 1 minute, from Monumento to Makati. O, ito na, balik na naman tayo. Diyos ko, Panginoon ko. What? Let's go. Oh, everybody, I am done sa first part ng araw ko. Ako, hindi naman siya masyadong core memory na kamamatay because I honestly didn't feel scared enough. It's scary at first. Pag pinapanood mo siya, nakakatakot. But hinihingal. But once you're inside, so if you're watching it, it's kind of scary. But once you're inside, it actually feels okay. Like really stable. It's like flying in the air. Smooth, stable, ganoon. Hinihingal ako. The locals. At my background is the local life here in Abbottabad. Do you like that? I like that. Kumakaway. Kumakaway sila, so magkaway din tayo. The security is securing. The security is securing. Comment down below. Can you say that in the comment? At the comments? Sabihin nyo lang, the security is securing, ganoon. O, pakin siya, o. Uy, 24/7 yan. Kala mo si Princess Diana ako dito. Actually, 4 yan with the mobile. Sabi ko, ayoko. Nagawa namin ng paraan na hindi nakasama yung buong team. Oo. Kasi nakakaloka, ang dami. Yeah. Napakadami namin. Diyos ko po. Ano kala mo? Government official ako. Kala mo? General ako ng Abbottabad. Salam. Yung tropahan mo, security ka, oh. Tinatakot kasi ng security ko, eh. Say hi. Say assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Sinagot mo ako. Sabi ko nga mag-hi ka. Pashtune. Yung bata natutuwa sa akin, kayo na pa nakatingin. Ay, the bus is busing, oh. Si Pukot kayo dyan, si Pukot. Ay, mga pupunta dyan, si Pukot. Ayan na yung bus. Chares. Alikabok! Hoy, condolences. So, ito pala, just for your information, So, ano pala yan? Parang he died in an accident. So, as a tribute, they put like a poster for him. So ayun, ayun pala yung ibig sabihin niyan. Everybody, so second part of the day for today's video. So again, I think I forgot to tell you, this is gonna be the episode 5 of my Pakistan vlog. And once again, here we are in Abbottabad local market. Somewhere, this is just one of the many local markets here in Abbottabad, Pakistan. So we are heading to village. The hotel owner, Rahman, there he is. He invited us to his village, which is like an hour and 30 minutes away from where we are staying, from his hotel. So ayun, again with my security. Gawa kaya ako ng content, no? A day in a life with my security. Naisip ko yan talaga. So ayan. Oh, if you watch my previous vlog, the episode 4, that's, dito yan, yung Harnoy, ayan yan. So, dito lang kami. So, ayan, that's it. Let me show you a bit of the place before we head to the village. Ang lively, ang saya. Gusto mo yan, nature. Gusto ko talaga to, mga probinsyang-probinsya. Gusto ko yung mga gantong atake. Hoy, take note, ang daming Pakistani na maganda yung sasakyan. Back. Capturing the local lives here in Abbottabad. And this is where we are buying our laps. Mistiso sila, no? Mga Pakistani, mistiso, no? Shukriya. I will buy mango. At least 2 pieces mango. Is it good? Hindi ko pa lang paano. Ah, ganun pala para makuha. Ha? 400? Oh, get your egg na. The egg is egging. Good. Egg. Naloloka sa akin security ko. Ah, okay na nga ako nito sa umaga. Let's go. Everybody, so I am with... He is the what? He is the hotel... You are the hotel owner?
Yeah.
Where I am staying right now, and he invited us to go to his village.
Yeah.
And your village name is?
Name is Bagnotar. Bagnotar Bandimera.
Bagnotar Mandimera.
Yeah.
Okay. Just giving you the front view, the driver's POV as of the moment. I'm smiling. What's his name? What's his name?
Shiraz.
Shiraz Salam. Our security POV. The mahiyaing security. So everybody, for today's video, we're taking a quick break. wala ka pang 20 minutes nagda-drive. Nagpapahinga na kami, na joke lang. Okay, go. You can smoke, go ahead. Charas. It's kind of stiff right now. Stiff pa. Dito pag bumagsak ka, mami, wala ditong respond. Tagi-bom-bom ka dahil makita ka ni St. Peter's. Taray, may pa-POV ako sa Karuo. Gusto mo yan? Hoy, ang ganda ng Abbottabad. Cagayan Valley sana sasabihin ko. Diyos ko po, ang ganda ng Pakistan. The beauty of Pakistan is mesmerizing. Every single day. Pwede naman mga puno ng Pakistan. Pag autumn, sobrang ganda siguro niya. Sa totoo lang. Everybody, so we actually have arrived. So we're gonna have to start hiking 30 minutes. Going to the villaging. I'm so excited to show you another village. And this time in Abbottabad naman. So, di ba ang bongga? Do you like that? Oh, kaya mag-follow, like, and subscribe kayo. Kasi pag itong video na to, hindi ito nag-trending, oy, wag ba lang, oy, 45 minutes man tong hike na to. Parang hindi mo pang outfit yung ano ko. Ay, parang hindi naman pang hike yung outfit ko. Ba yan? Sarap maligo, oh. Alam mo, ay, may pa-fall ceiling naman pala doon. Doon naman pala naiipon yung watering. Site nga natin. I really like it here. Like, imagine in the morning, you'll wake up. Do you see that? Magbabad ka lang dyan, okay na. You can beat the summer here in Abbottabad, Pakistan. Because they have a lot of natural water. That's bongga. And here. Ay, look how clean they are. O, diba? May mga konting plastic, but still, Tapos sa ilalim, pwede kang gumawa ng music video. Diyan, di ba? Tapos diyan lumalabas si Medusa. Charas. Ay, si Valentina. Ginawa ako ng Quezon City, yung Pakistan. No? Yung pabalik-balik ka na lang. Ganda, no? Gusto ko talaga yung mga ganyang puno. Is it just me who likes this kind of trees? Yung parang mga pine trees. Ganda siguro niya sa autumn, no?
Bike study.
Para ka sa Kagan Valley. Sinugod ng team ni Kay Toretto ang Abbottabad, Pakistan. Chares, with the security. Hi everybody, so hindi ko alam may gawaan pala ng battle dito. Battle? Like a battle or they just put the water?
They manufacture it.
Ah, they manufacture it. Ah, there, hello. Ah, he was the one pala. So, water battle factory, ang taray. Parang mas gusto ko na yung tubig nila. I wanna change my water now. No, but it's heavy, I don't like. Tomorrow when we go down. I wonder where they get the water, from the mountain directly? And then filtered like that?
पानी कहाँ से आपका आता है या क्या करते हैं मतलब फिल्टर किधर लगा हुआ है क्या होता है फिल्टर इज इनसाइड दिया
Yeah.
एंड पानी कौन सा होता है ये पहाड़ों वाला चश्मों का फ्रेश वाटर फ्रॉम द स्प्रिंग्स
Yeah, from the
and
springs.
then they filter it
Filtered
again,
it.
and that's how it
Yeah.
processed and ready to be consumed by
I like to
like
taste
us.
that tomorrow. You know, when I was young, there was like this video that only shows Pakistan. They have like a scarcity of water. People are actually like fighting just to get like a bucket of water. But see, Pakistan is so big that you can actually see like a lot of places here like that. Mano-mano talaga dahil mano-mano siya. See, I told you, you can see a lot of things here in Pakistan. There's no scarcity of water. Maybe in some areas, yes. Even in the Philippines naman, in other part of the world. Kapag wala ka talagang source of water, edi wala. But look, fresh water from the spring.
He's asking about like I've told him to stay at the back while we are recording,
Yeah?
so that the guns don't come in the video.
No, it's okay. Leave it. Because we are hiking. It's hard to tell people what they need to do. Whatever they're comfortable with, let them stay there. Napagod. Yeah.
Yeah,
Hide and
actually,
seek.
that's a good idea. We can play a game over it.
Pinaglaro mo pa akong bata ka. Hoy everybody, the hiking has started 3 minutes ago. Pero feeling ko 40 minutes na ako nag-hike. Diyos ko, buti na lang mais-ayos yung daan. So okay lang. Dinala ni Kay Toretto the rest of the team. Charas. 30 minutes pa akyat. Diyos ko, Panginoon ko. Nagsisisi. Pagod na ako. Everybody please, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm doing this to show you the beauty of Abbottabad, Pakistan. Kaya mag-subscribe kayo. Kung hindi, tatapusin ko tong vlog talaga dito. Ako yung nasa hulihan. Iniisip ko na lang, papayat ako. Ganon, mababawasan ang aking mga taba-taba. Tawa-tawa pa kayo dyan. I regret my decision. Everybody, pagod na ako. Kayo na lang mag-vlogger, ako na lang manonood. Madali lang naman mag-subscribe eh. Ako na lang magpipindot. Oo, ako na lang. Sinasabi si Hamza. Say it.
Only I can hide like this.
Again, Hamza. One more.
Only I can hide like this. I changed your lyrics, sorry.
Kami-kaming tangkay. For the vlog, kunyari, hiniram yung tangkay nung kasama. For the vlog, I borrowed the help of the wood. Everybody, ako na nagsasabi sa inyo. Kung gusto nyo tumira sa Pakistan, magsanay na kayo sa bundok. At ako na nagsasabi sa inyo. Medyo pa, yung security ko nag-aalala siya sa akin. In fairness naman talaga. Hinihintay niya ako. My security is really securing. He's really waiting for me. Look, oh, he's there. He's so nice. I love him na. Whew! Diyos ko. Ganito pala ang hirap ng mga nag-hiking. Ang tagal na ng huling hike ko. Dito maganda, diretso lang. Sana ganito lang, no? Hey, look at my security. Oh, look at him, he's waiting for me. Hindi mo kaya, Kay Toretto nag-hike, may security. Sila ulo ka. Huwag mo inaartihan si Kay Toretto sa Pakistan. Nag-hike, may kasamang security. It's okay, I am okay. Thank you. Sila ulo ka. Kay Toretto nag-hike, may kasamang security. Only in Pakistan. Okay, I like it like this. Relax lang, dire-diretso lang. flat, hindi masyadong uphill. Grabe yung first 3 minutes namin, mami. Para ako nag-gym ng 5 araw. Ay, pagoda. Take them to finish their cigarette. I need to relax. Charas. This is the last camping, okay? No more camping. It's the last one. We stay here 2 days.
How's the weather?
The weather's nice. The hiking is not. Everybody, I hope this is worth it. So there's gonna be like a whole village once this hike is finished. The view from here is actually already beautiful, but I'm tired, so I cannot appreciate it at the moment. The good thing the weather in Abbottabad is cold, so let's go. Ako'y nagsisisi na. Buddy, please comment down below some good message to my security. Please. Let's appreciate his effort to be with me. Because of this, I will be canceling some of my mountain hikes because he's gonna be with me. I don't want to drag him to this. And also, I cannot manage it. Give shout out to Farman Ula. Baka naman. Shout out natin siya.
The water here is very pure and
Yeah, because I'm more sensitive in the
More
water.
than
it's
more
better than mineral
pure
water.
than
and
mineral
waters.
Yep.
Maybe going down.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think for the people who have like a strong stomach, I think this is okay for you. And to those people, I think, who's doing hiking, I think you've done this so many times. But yeah, it's cold. It looks actually so clean, but I'm still gonna be there in a village, be staying there for a day, so I cannot risk it. But yeah, if you're coming here, don't waste the water. Not just here, everywhere you go.
Yep.
So yeah. Everybody, I think we have arrived. We're like 5 minutes. Yun na yan. Huy, ang ganda. Huy. Akala ko hindi ko kakayanin, everybody. Umabot naman tayo with the help of my team, with the help of Kay Toretto team. With the help of Kay Toretto's team, we were able to make it. This is the last camping that I will do in Abbottabad. Abbottabad, I love you. You are beautiful, but I am tired. Charas! Gonna be so good to have coffee here in the morning. Just imagine how cold it is here in the morning. My English, it's done. Same with my energy, it's finished. Let's go, everybody. Ang mga Pakistani, they're just like Filipinos. The one who lives in the mountains and in the province, if they said 5 minutes, never, ever, ever believe them. Agree? Say yes. Yes, he agree. Yung 5 minutes nila, mami, 1 oras. Shoota! Whew! Pahinga tayo. Everybody, we have arrived. But sabi niya 5 minutes daw. So, yung house daw nila, next pa. Hindi na ako naniniwala. I no longer believe him. Sabi ko sa kanya, marry me. Rahman, tell them that you will marry me.
Huh?
Tell them that you will marry me.
Openly?
Yeah. Tell them you will marry me.
You asked now?
So, his house is like the next house, yeah?
This one is my house and we are going here.
Okay.
And next, what you want?
No, the marry is next time. Charis lang. It's a joke. He's a good friend of mine. Everybody, hoy, look how good the house is here. Para siyang parang Harry Potter. Tignan nyo. Come. Tignan nyo. Wait, is there actually anyone living here? Ah, it's locked. Ah, okay. Imagine no, dito ka nakatira, mami. I think this one is made out of mud.
Yep.
Yeah. Ay.
Mud and I guess cow shit.
Yeah. Cow shit? Okay. Good thing you told me that. Sabi niya, just 2 minutes. 2 minutes na lang sa bahay na nila kami. Parang 1 hour ago, sinabi niya din yun. Salam! Salam! Buti pa yung aso. Ang ganda ng view araw-araw. What's the dog's name?
John.
Buti pa. Pangalan ng aso, Jan daw. Jan.
You love dogs?
Yeah.
I know.
Taka lang. Alam mo, 2 minutes na lang daw.
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Just 2.
Kada 2 minutes niya, ibig sabihin 1 hour.
Harami.
Kasama na si Jan.
Jale. John is coming.
He's smiling. I know. May cameraman, he likes dogs.
Ashwin das yapar.
Jan! Bukan mong mga gat, babalibag kita. Chares! Ibinalibag. Chares lang. Everybody, please appreciate Kay Toretto for today's video. Ako lang yung nagdadala sa inyo kung saan-saan sa Pakistan. If you go to this place, kapag nagkasakit ka dito, helicopter lang ang pag-asa mo dito, wala talaga. Helicopter lang. Wala. Pag nagkasakit ka dito, ano ka na? The end ka na.
Interact with them.
No. It's okay, just like this.
ये बच्चों को बोले ना और ऑन किड्स ओए इधर ऐसे सलाम करो
Assalamualaikum.
अच्छा
Grabe no, isang buong bundok na to. This one whole mountain, only 3 families. Salam. Ay, naka-red dress naman pala siya. Assalamualaikum. Again, assalamualaikum. Tari ng mga bagets naka-dress. Ang gandang tignan. I like that. Oh, it's sunset, everybody. I look beautiful in the sunset. Oh, with the kids. 3 families, 1 whole mountain. Hindi mo kaya. And they call it their village. Amazing. I like this, pero siguro for retreats, for a few days. But if we didn't grow up here, I don't know. Maybe you get used to it if you're really like into it, you know. Because going down to get your supplies is one of the hardest part here. 2 hours. Halos 2 oras na ako naglalakad. Pagod na ako. Magtuloy-tuloy tayo, gagi. Pinajump niya ako. Tapos tinulak ako, no, gagi, laro. Don't. Tuloy-tuloy ako dito, gagi. Yung 2 hours na hinay ko, baka 5 minutes lang, girl. Nasa baba na ako. That's ulap, no? That's clouds. Hoy, that's clouds, everybody. That's that, right? Hoy, imagine here, natatakot ako, baka bigla akong magtuloy-tuloy, mami. Diyos ko po. Everybody, we have finally arrived. This is where we will be staying. Bakit naman kasi pinili yung pinakadulong bahay? This is the last house in this mountain. And soccer, of course. I love villages. I belong to village. Hindi lang yung balat ko. Food? Grapes? Is this grapes?
No.
What is this?
Apricot.
We can eat?
Yeah.
Amazing.
It's a fruit.
Yeah, I know the apricot. Grabe ka naman sa akin. Uy, nakita ko na yun sa Hunsa. Kumakajudge mo siya sa akin. It's a fruit. Kau naman. Thank you again. Uy, security ko, please comment down some good messages for him. I wanna show him once this vlog is uploaded because kasama ko siya the whole time. Kahit anong gagawin ko talaga, kasama ko siya. And the kids, hello. The kids are kidding. Hi, this is gonna be our room tonight. No electricity, no lights, just pure village life. O, diba? I told you. Kay Toretto is... I like this. Hoy, it's banig. Oh, I like this. Ay, saya. Para siyang school. Para siyang school na hindi school. Bahala na. Bahala na. Everybody, so... I will be needing to go to the washroom. And the washroom is... amoy kalabaw. At least may washroom, diba? Hala. Hala. Balde-balde. Sko po tipid din ang tubig. Everybody, good evening from Soccer. Soccer?
Yeah.
Soccer village here in Abbottabad. So, ayan. Rahman is preparing our dinner for today's video. So, huy, ang lamig sobra. Alam nyo ba? Lamig-lamig at the moment. So, ayan na. May mga pakatining na nagaganap talaga naman.
Preparing chicken kadai.
Chicken kadai. Huy, diba? on top of the mountain. This is not a regular chicken curry because we're doing it on top of the mountain, everybody. With special effects. I like this. Good. But no, it's spicy now because there's like this.
No, not spicy.
Okay, try. There's the water first. The ano. Nagutom na kasi ako. I'm hungry. Let's start the cucumber. It's okay, I eat that.
It's okay.
Okay. Talaga naman. Sayang yung balat. Kinakain ko kaya yan. Tapos pagkakain ka, ito na rin yung sapin. Charas, joke lang. Ito na rin yung sapin sa mesa. Kukuhain mo lang niyang ganyan. Charot, joke lang.
Yeah, man.
Soy. Wow. Yan yung security ko. Relax lang siya sa gilid. Napagod talaga siya, uy. Yung parang gusto niya magreklamo kasi hindi siya makapagreklamo. Kasi inassign siya sa akin. Imagine mo, dapat 4 yan. Buti na lang isa na lang, di ba? No, kahit like this. Not all. Yeah, small. Slice. Like this. Slice. Tapos tinaga ako nung arte nito. Dayo lang. Makapag-request. Bila akong tinaga. Charis. Only. Yan mo. Bas. You have salt? No.
Yeah.
I will get that. Where? Ay, talaga naman. Ang mga pa-salty ni... Ay, nilaglag. Sorry. Just little. Yeah, shukriya. Sarap ito. This is lemon, right? Sayang naman yung balat, tinapon. Shukriya. Ready for me?
Salad tiyari?
Makapag-request. Hindi na ako naligo. Kasi una sa lahat, wala naman kaming tubig. 1 galon lang yun. Winipes ko na lang yung buong katawan ko. Para matanggalan yung pawis sa ano kanina, sa hiking. Pak, may salad na ako. Room tour. This is where we're gonna be staying. No lights, no electricity. Walang electric fan, pero sobrang lamig. Grabe. Tapos dito sila nagluluto. Ayan, andun sila. Oh. May pagtitipong nagaganap. Aping papakinggan. And the security is still securing. Rahman, thank you very much. And the rest of the team. My God, it's so good.
No, देखो Russia.
Russia. Freshly made?
Yes.
Nice cooking.
Thank you. Over there.
Assalamualaikum. Sangga. Everybody, good morning. It's our second day here in Sokkar village. So, ayan. We're having our coffee. Done na yung paggawa ng coffee, sorry. Our camping gear. Here is our camping gear and the hotel owner's uncle and my security talking about life. Charis. I am sure that this is the first ever greatest choco na nakaabot sa Abbottabad, Pakistan. Pinatikim ko sa kanila, sabi nila, lasang yung nagsisimula sa letter S na social na kapihan. Tuwa sila, happy man sila. So, this is the coffee and this is the view. Raulo ka sa view ko. May paulap. Yung ulap kayo ng umaga. Sinisinghot ko talaga. Siyempre, minsan lang tayo makasinghot ng ulap. Everybody, look ko. The coffee and the view. Good morning, Abbottabad, Pakistan. Talagang Pakistan, hindi ako binibigo. Never akong binigo ng ganda ng Pakistan. Pakistan beauty will never, ever fail you as long as you get the right tour, okay? The coffee and the view. Hi everybody, good morning once again. So we have finished the breakfast and everything that we need to do on the top of the mountain. So we are heading on our way back to our hotel. So we just need to go down again, hike back, which is gonna take just around I think 30 minutes to 40, but with my facing 1 hour. So I told them to go first. I am okay because if they wait for me, everything will be delayed because it's so stiff right now because it rained for it rained for almost 3 hours today. So the first I think few first hours of the rain, it was really like raining hard, but I was okay. So I took the chance of telling that we should go down now because if the rain starts raining again, it's okay. My bags are actually waterproof. So, and let's go. I'll see you down. Hi everybody. So we are no, it's okay. We are back down. And then if you remember yesterday, I saw this as well. Hello. If you remember, I also saw this yesterday. So, nothing. Gusto ko lang ibabad saglit yung pa ako kahit pagod. Bahala na kung ano mangyari sa paa na to. So, ayan. O, diba? Gagi, kung taga dito ako, diyan mo lang ako makikita parati.
Lambu. Hey, jump.
Jump. No, it's okay. It's okay. Nay jumping. Mag-aano lang tayo saglit ng paa, mami. Hoy! Tapos nadulas ako, no? Lamig, grabe. So cold. It rained last night, so you can see, if you can see yung water, super mega ano niya ngayon. Malakas yung alon, the current. Taray, the current. Oh, ayun, everybody, I wanted to finish like showing you this beautiful view here in Sukhar Village, Abbottabad. Yes, sabi niya. Yes. Oh, ayun na yun, everybody. I hope that you were able to enjoy this episode. The camping and the bit of a village life. So again, this is Kate Toretto, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. I hope that you had a great day. If not, always remember that tomorrow is another day. Bye-bye. Yeah, it's a good place.
Yeah, I will enjoy.
Yes, enjoy.
You will enjoy.
Oh, yun na yan. Bye-bye.
I am subscribe your channel.
Really? Bonus clip. You subscribe my channel?
Yes.
What's the name?
Ketoro? Ketoro.
Kay Toretto. Okay, move tayo dito. Baka maano tayo.
Okay, no problem.
Kay Toretto. Ah,
I save this photo.
you save? Okay. Anong ginagawa mo sa bibig mo ba? Naaliw siya sa akin. Grabe yung tingin niya sa akin. Sabi niya, Chinese. Philippines. Bonus clip is done. Again, thank you for the Kate Toretto's team. Charot.